Hey, it's Anissa. Today I have for you a gorgeous solar-powered flickering lantern. Now this is fantastic to use outdoors. It's going to add beautiful ambient lighting. And what I like about this is it's so versatile. You can hang it on a tree, hang it on a shepherd's hook, or put it on a tabletop. Wherever you put it, it's going to add a beautiful flickering candle effect. That's because it's got LEDs inside, which are always safe around pets and children and never get hot to the touch. Now I love this lantern. It's got a look that's both modern and vintage. I know that sounds weird, but take a look. It's beautiful, and this is bigger and better than most on the market. The base is a full 10.5 inches high, and it's better because it's got an advanced solar panel, which translates to longer light, up to 8 hours. The other thing to appreciate is just set it and forget it. Turn it on, it will automatically come on at dusk and shut off at dawn. You are gonna love this. It's durable and weatherproof and can go almost anywhere. You just wanna make sure you have enough sunlight. Now what I love best, and you are too, is our super low price. You get one way less than the normal retail, but here's the thing. We have a case pack special. You can get 4 of these for an insanely low price. So head on over to Pulse TV and grab your case today.